Okay, I just wanted to share how to make a mixed drink. This is called an orange crush, and it's the first time I'm ever making it, but it seems pretty simple. I paid $10 for this in a hotel, which was outrageous. I thought so. I bought the ingredients. This was like $6. This was $20, and then you got the orange and the juice and the Sprite, so I can make a lot of these for cheap. It doesn't call for orange juice, but it calls for like fresh squeezed orange juice. I'm just going to use orange juice. A little bit of fresh squeezed in here. Then I'm going to put some of this in. Some vodka. It's orange flavored vodka. Some Sprite. And then you can garnish it with an piece of orange. And that's it. Now you got what's called an orange crush. And it's really good. So anyway, that's the orange crush.